Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to discuss one of the most beautiful question of Java interviews, guys. So usually, if you go any interview like in any MNC Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, Capgemini, HCL, or any company, if you go to Deloitte also. So usually this kind of question you will get very frequently, guys, in interviews. Suppose if you given 10 interviews, so out of 10, 7, 8 interviews, this question you can definitely you can encounter, guys. So as you know, the process of the interview usually happens, guys, as like we have discussed earlier. So total interview happens around 30 minutes to 45 minutes it goes. So, in first, 15 minute, 25 minute, or 30 minutes, usually they used to ask about your technical backgrounds or your introduction, or about they will ask about the projects or company where you work. But after and also they will ask some theoretical or conceptual concepts about the theory. But after like 25, 30 minutes, they will give to write some code, write some program. So mainly the selection of that interview depends on that program only, that coding question which they ask usually in the last. Sometimes they ask in starting, but usually they ask in the last. So they will give some program logic to write. So if you write properly, so definitely your chances is to get selected is more than uh, in other ways, guys. So like my point is, so we should focus on more writing the code, implementing the logic and code, guys. So and even also in Java 8, the most beautiful thing in Java 8 is that they have concised the code. Now we don't have to write the hundreds lines of code for implementing any any logical thing in Java 8. uh, any crucial problem in Java, we can implement only just 2, 3, 4, 5 lines if we know efficiently how to use Java 8 coding, guys. So this is the most beautiful thing of in Java 8. So we'll start the question. So guys, this is the question uh, I want to discuss today, guys. So find the employee name or employee details having the second highest salary in given list of employees. This is most important question, guys. And if you understand this question, then you can understand lot of questions based on the employee details and based on the high employee salary details. Because on this structure, lot of questions are getting generated and asked. So usually um, we have given a list of employees and like employee details, we have like salary and employee name. So we have to find the second highest salary, or also sometimes they can ask for the highest salary. So usually this question they will ask. So sometimes usually they in database also same question they ask to write the MySQL query or Oracle query, but usually now they ask to write in Java 8. How you will write in Java 8 without any MySQL query? So this is very nice logic, guys. So here see, for this actually first we should know how to write a Java Pojo class like employee class we have taken. We have taken only two field. Here is employee name and employee salary string like name and private double salary, and we have taken the constructor, and then I have provided getter setter and to string method. So this is the we can say this is a pre-generated code. We don't need to write usually in interview all this, but sometime if we have to run online, then we have to write. This is very simple, but usually they will not ask to write this Pujo card. They will tell that I have, suppose you have already employee list of employees. So this logic, suppose here. So this till here they will tell that till here till they will tell, suppose you have already this. Suppose you have employees, like list of employees already you have available. Suppose they will give this information that you have employee list who is having Mohan for 50,000, Makhan 75,000, Rama suppose Rama 60,000, Priyanka have 70,000, and Sachin have 80,000. They have this salary already structured. They have given employee details. You don't have to write generally. But for understanding, you must implement by yourself. If you implement by yourself, then you will understand the complete logic how it works. So usually they will expect that how you have to implement this logic. Usually this logic and this logic, how you will get the highest salary from the list of employee, and how you will get the employee details from the highest like salary employee. So this logic, guys, I had implemented. You complete logic in IntelliJ. I will show you, and I will explain you step by step, each line by line. So if you have any doubt in this logic, you can ask me anytime. You can ping me. You can you can you can comment me in the comment box or WhatsApp me. Definitely, I will help you to answer your questions, guys. Okay, but make sure, guys, you believe me, this question is very, very important for any Java interview or any backend interview or any full stack development interview. This is the most important question. And if you really understand this question very in depth, and you explain to the panel, so definitely your selection chances is very high, guys, in any interviews. So and also, if you understand this and you go for interview, within like 4 5 interviews, you will definitely get selected in some of the interviews, guys. So let's first we'll understand the logic. So for this, I have created first this employee class. I have simply this Pojo class I have created, guys. Here I have taken only two field, private string name and double salary. See why we take double salary? We should not take integer as salary, guys, because see, salary is a high amount. Usually, sometimes they are getting 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh salary. So we should usually take in double, and salary like sometimes salary complete they give in point in decimal value also. So we should take in double only salary, guys. We should not take in integer usually salary. So that's why I have taken double. Even we can take it, this is not an issue, but it is the best practice to use double for salary, guys. And the string name I have taken, and just we have created the constructor this, and then I have created the getter and setter method, guys. Okay. I have created only getter here. I'm initializing through the constructor. We can create the setter also, not an issue. So I have created this class like second highest salary employee. Uh, we can show. Okay, we can optimize this class name, guys. Let's I will refactor this class name. Okay, I'm taking just second salary employee. Okay, I hope it will look good. Okay, so simple. It will look some sort. So okay, second salary employee. So this class I have implemented. So we have taken first main method. So in main method, guys, after that like public static void main. So after that, first what we will create one list of employee. So usually they will give this list. So you don't have to implement the list of employee, but it is good if you implement from your side and you understand, then it is well and good, guide. And then also you can explain it very well to the panel. So let's see here we have created employee list. given name of employees. So I am adding employee dot add new employee Mohan 50,000 salary, and I am adding new employee Makhan having 75,000 salary. I am adding new employee Rama 60,000 salary, and I'm adding new employee Priyanka having 70,000 salary, and I'm adding new employee Sachin having 80,000 salary. So we have five employees total. I have added here five employees, and with name and with their salary, guys, credited salary. So now we have from this list of employees. Now I have to find the which one having the second highest salary, guys. So here, if you see here, what is the highest salary? By seeing itself, you can see 80,000 is the highest salary because all of the 70,000, 60, 75,000, 50,000. 80,000 is the highest salary which Sachin is getting. But if you talk about second highest salary is 75,000 which Makhan is getting. Okay. So we have to find this detail, this object details, like new employee Makhan and salary 75,000, guys. So this logic first, I have this I have breaking through in two lines, guys. Usually here are only two lines, guys, for this getting. If you understand these two lines, you can explain very smartly to the panel, guys. So here, see, first what we will do from this list of employees, first we will get the second highest salary from the employee list. So first in step one, first we will get the second highest salary from the list, and in second step we will find the employee detail which will have the second highest salary. Very simple step. We should remember this step. Sometimes we can do in the single line itself, these two lines, but for understanding the concept, we are doing into two lines, and that is good as well to understand, guys. So first I have to how we are getting the second highest salary in the employee list. For that I am taking one variable second salary, like it will store the second highest salary. I am taking double because here we are taking a double as a salary, guys. In employee we have given salary data type as double. So that's why for storing the second salary we are taking a double type of variable, the second salary. So now we are processing from employee list like employees dot stream. We are using employees dot stream. So this method stream will convert employees complete employee object into stream. Now after converting stream, now we are using this map function, guys. This is very important, guys. We have to know how map is working, how we are using map here. So map function like map, this function is usually like it is available into optional class, but here we use process in stream apis. So map will it will return the map of like employee and get salary. Guys, see, it will process each employee's salary. It will be calling by method difference employee and get salary. Using get salary, it will call the all the salaries, all the salary like 50,000, 75,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80. But you will only, it will get only the salaries. It will not get any other information, name and any other ID, everything it will not do. It will get only the get salary, like salary, all the salaries, list of salaries. Now, after getting the list of salary using map, now we will sort it. Okay. So now we are going to sort after getting the salary list of salaries. Now we will sort it, guys. Y- So see, I am using the sorted method. As we know, for sorting the data in in list in Java8, we use sorted in stream. We will use sorted method, and sorted will use comparator interface to sorting, and to use it. We can use natural sorting, but here we are using reverse sorting. Means we have to sort in descending order. Descending order means the highest salary will be on the top. and later will be the second salary, third salary, fourth salary. Like this, it will be later coming. Lesser salary will come later. So highest salary will be on the top. That's why we are doing sorted in comparator dot reverse order. So after reverse order, so this salary list of the salary we will get, it will sort into the reverse order. And now we are using, after getting the list of salaries, now we are using skip method. Skip method will skip one, only one we are giving. So it means, so it is skip the highest salary. When we are sorting in the reverse order, so highest salary will be on the top. It will be in because descending order, so highest salary will be on top, so it will skip first one. Like highest salary will be skipped, then it will get the find first. Like after skipping the first salary, so it will get the second one. Find first will return the second one salary. And you know guys, find first return optional type. If you show the return type of find first method, see guys, this is optional. Always we should remember any so it will return optional type. That's why we are getting this calling get method. Also it is from optional class, and get build method will return the actual type of like employee type. Now this employee which will having the second highest salary, it will be stored into this second, no sorry, it will get the second salary actually. It will give the second salary from the list of salaries guys. Hope it is clear. Okay. So it will get the second salary here because I am getting only the salary. So it will get the second salary. Now for getting the employee details which will having the second salary. So now we are processing second step, find the employee with the second highest salary. So for that I am taking one employee object which will store the second highest salary having employee details. We must have to take one employee object. This line is important, guys. This line is very important. First, we have to take a employee reference variable or employee type of variable which will store that employee detail which will be having the second highest salary. So first we defined or we declared this variable. After that we are processing again the employee list of employee. We are converting into a stream. Now we are using filter. See guys, filter method what we are doing in filter. So in filter this is the most important like point guys. Filter method what will do, it will take if every salary from the employees e dot get salary. Filter method always return a boolean type as you know guys. Get salary, and now it will compare this. If it is get salary equal to like coming salary is equal to the second salary. This second salary where we have got this got we have after processing the list of employee we have got the second salary. So after getting the second salary, it is now it is comparing that if it is the salary like incoming employees salary is the second salary equal to second salary, then you have to find this, find first. You have to find that employee details. And you have to return that employee details, employee find first dot get. It will return that particular employee detail which will have the e dot salary equal to second salary, which will have salary equal to second salary, guys. So I hope this point is clear. So after getting this salary details, just we have to print this employee object, employee to object. Directly it will give the employee details. Also, if you want only name of that particular employee which is having the second highest salary, we can from employee to we can use the get name method because we have setter getter. So we can call the get name method which will return the second highest salary, guys. Hope so far it is clear, guys. Have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, so okay, let's see. Okay, guys. So I will run this code. What will be the output? By running, we will see. See, guys. So in first, I am getting the employee details with second highest salary. First, I am getting the complete employee detail mark minus 75,000. Here it will print all the, if we have print ID or city and name, everything it can print, but I have taken only name and the salary. It is printing name and salary and employee. And here we are getting only name of the employee, which having the second highest salary. I have not even printed the salary detail, but I am printing only the name of salary which is having second highest salary, guys. So in this line. So this was the logic, guys. And definitely sure, guys, this is very important question for perspective of interview or any for implementing the development in the project as well. So, guys, you just understand only two lines. This line they will have already, they will interview panel already will share you these details, guys. You don't have to worry about this. But if you know this is the best practice, and but these two lines are crucial, guys. These two lines you must have to know, and this you must have to understand that how it is reprocessing this employee list, how it is using stream, how it is using map, how it is using sorted and comparator, and how it is using this skip and find first and get method, guys. This you must have to know. And after that, this line also, how you should know how employee dot stream method and how it is mainly how it is filtering. This line is most important to filter the second highest salary. So you should know how it is filtering the second highest salary, and you have to know how it is using find first and get method, guys. So these are the two most important lines of this coding logic. If you understand, so definitely you can explain very well in front of the panel, and definitely panel will be impressed and he will be selected you guys into an interview. Okay, guys, so all the best for you, and best of luck for your upcoming interview. Just keep learning and keep coding. Definitely you will be selected in your dream companies, dream MNCs, guys. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for joining or thank you so much for watching so far, guys. We will be meet with some other important videos. Have a nice day, guys.